What is the best morning beverage to improve gut health? Gut health is essential for overall well-being. Your gut, also known as the digestive system, is home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad. These bacteria help digest food, produce vitamins, and keep your immune system strong. According to studies, a healthy gut can improve your mood, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and even help maintain a healthy weight. In fact, about 70% of your immune system is located in your gut. With gut health playing such a crucial role, it's important to start your day with a beverage that promotes a healthy gut. In this video, we shall look at why gut health matters and the best morning beverages for gut health. The best morning beverages for gut health. 1. Warm water with lemon. Drinking a glass of warm water with lemon first thing in the morning can do wonders for your gut. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help flush out toxins from your body and stimulate your digestive system. Warm water with lemon also helps maintain the pH balance of your gut, making it a simple yet effective way to boost your gut health. 2. Probiotic-Rich Drinks. Probiotics are live bacteria that are good for your gut. They help balance the gut microbiome by increasing the number of beneficial bacteria. Fermented drinks like kefir, kombucha, and certain types of yogurt are rich in probiotics. Studies show that consuming probiotics can reduce symptoms of digestive disorders, enhance nutrient absorption, and strengthen your immune system. 3. Ginger tea. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. Drinking ginger tea in the morning can help reduce inflammation, ease indigestion, and relieve nausea. Ginger also promotes the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. 4. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, drink. Apple cider vinegar is known for its numerous health benefits, including promoting gut health. Mixing a tablespoon of ACV with a glass of warm water can help stimulate stomach acid production, which is essential for proper digestion. ACV also contains prebiotics, which feed the good bacteria in your gut. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that support gut health. The polyphenols in green tea can help increase the number of good bacteria in your gut and inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. Drinking green tea in the morning can also improve your metabolism and help with weight management. Why gut health matters. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for several reasons. Here are some statistics and facts to highlight its importance. 1. Digestive disorders. According to the World Gastroenterology Organization, digestive disorders affect millions of people worldwide. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, can be managed better with a healthy gut. 2. Immune system. Approximately 70% of your immune system resides in your gut. A healthy gut can help protect against infections and diseases. 3. Mental health. There is a strong connection between the gut and the brain, known as the gut-brain axis. Research shows that a healthy gut can improve mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 4. Chronic diseases. A balanced gut microbiome can lower the risk of chronic diseases, such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Starting your day with a gut-friendly beverage can set the tone for a healthier gut and overall well-being. Whether it's warm water with lemon, a probiotic drink, ginger tea, an apple cider vinegar drink, or green tea, these beverages can help improve your digestive health and boost your immune system. Make gut health a priority and enjoy the benefits of a happier, healthier life. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on future content.